Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivari, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, in my previous video, I taught you about differential equation. And today also we continue the same topic. So let us take another question. dy over dx equals to y minus x upon y plus x. Now again, this is a differential equation of the type homogeneous. So the procedure is put y equal to vx. After putting y equal to vx, we have to differentiate this, and the differentiation of this will be dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv over dx. Now in equation first, we replace this dy by dx by v plus x dv by dx. So in the left side we will get v plus x dv by dx, and in the right side, in place of y you will write vx minus x, and in the denominator vx plus x. Now take x common from numerator and it is cancelled by the term x in the denominator. So we will left with v minus 1 upon v plus 1. Now this is the differential equation between v and x. So we need to separate the variable. So for this, shift this v to right side in this way. Now take the LCM in the right hand side. After taking LCM, we will get v minus 1 minus v square minus v. In this, minus v and v cancel out, and we will get this one. Now try to separate the variable. So v plus 1 comes in the left side, and in the denominator v square plus 1 in this way, and minus sign left in the right side. So dx over x. Now integrating variable are separated. Now we have to integrate both the sides. So here do the partial fraction, v dv over v square plus 1 and plus 1 upon v square plus 1. So in this, put v square plus 1 as a t, and we will get 2v dv equal to dx as the derivative. So this v will cancel out, and 1 upon t, integration of 1 upon t is log v square plus 1. And here this is the formula of tan inverse. So write tan inverse v, and here minus log x plus c. Now put the value of v. The value of v comes from here, v equal to y upon x. Put v equal to y upon x. So we will get y square upon x square. After taking LCM, we will get this one, y square plus x square upon x square. Now this can be written as log m upon n है, तो log m minus log n हो जाएगा. So 1 by 2 log y square plus x square minus half log x square. So 2 and 2 will cancel out, and minus log x and minus log x will cancel out. So plus tan inverse y upon x plus c. This is the full and final answer. Now comes to next question. This is the next one. So in this, x square dy plus y x plus y dx equal to 0. Now dy over dx will be minus y x plus y upon x square. So this is also a differential equation of the homogeneous type. Power is 2 है दोनों तरफ. So put y equal to vx, differentiate both the sides, we will get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Put the respective value, we will get this. Now minus v and plus v, this will equals to minus 2v in this way, and separate the variable in this way. Now this can be integrated by making perfect square. Okay, so this is the formula applicable in this, minus log s plus log c. This can be written as log c upon x, log से log कट जाएगा, and this is the full and final answer. So I hope that this video will help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.